Oh yeah, it's a Friday. We oh, hold on. There you go. That's better. That's better. We're just bringing this little load in. This thing all wiped off. What you guys doing? We're gonna bring this load in, see what's up. So we were all full of piss and vinegar this morning, came out and took that out. So we loaded up our little copper bin, got some here, some there, some a little bit of everywhere. So we're gonna bring this thing in, see what it gets us, and then see what we're doing today. I don't really have any plans. It's supposed to be our day off, so we may actually all right, so we made it back to the house, got everything in. It was about 750 pounds, a little under 200 bucks, so we'll take it. It's early, so I think I'm gonna shut it down for a little while. Fridays and Saturdays are a day off, so I think I'm gonna sit back and relax. If anything pops up, we go out and do anything, I'll definitely bring you guys along. So have a good day. We'll either see you soon, or we'll see you tomorrow, or we'll see you sometime. I mean, something's gonna happen sooner or later. I'm gonna turn this camera right back on. Saturday. Happy Saturday to you guys. I was out mowing the lawn. I was right over there and I hit a rock, and all of a sudden I don't know what happened. Lawnmower won't start. It wouldn't crank. Now it cranks. I think we may have blown the, I don't know. I pulled it up, pushed it up against the fence to work underneath. All oil started dumping out of it, out of the air filter. Don't seem like good. Don't seem like a whole lot of good happened there. Yesterday I picked up that fridge. My guy does not want it, and we ended up going to get a heat pump. That was all very later on in the day. So right now we're gonna go get a toolbox for a truck, and then we gotta go pick up a stove in a little bit. Man, I am pretty bummed out about this lawnmower. Don't want to spend money. Cheap. See you guys later. How are you doing? Dun, 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 dun. This is actually a nice little walker. We made donate that. Donation. See if anybody needs something like that on the local site. All right. Look at these little. Go Jim Dandy, go Jim Dandy. These things are nice. Oof, they are hot. They are hot as a firecracker. Let me tell you. Oh, they even roll? Dude. Today I just want to sell a bunch of stuff. I'm like, whoo, we can sell these. Hot. So hot. Oh, burning me. It's burning. Woo. Just want to sell everything. She's smoking pretty good. But she's alive. The oil.
And mix it. You have to put something in there.
Nah.
No?
I don't think so. I think it's just because of where the oil came out earlier.
Is that, you check the oil on that thing?
That's what I just did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because a lot of them, you have to mix it with that bottle of stuff.
All right, so I fixed the lawnmower. Did you hit it? Finally got this thing tuned in, working perfect. was supposed to be a parody, because this thing was not working right. The blade, I think the shaft fell or something. So everything looks right at the bottom, but the blade is way lower than it was before. I have the wheels all the way up and it was still, look, gouging in some spots, stalling. So I think that's it. I think that's gonna be it for that one. We may have to trade it in for a new model with our guy. So maybe he can get it back up and running and we can get something a little bit better and off we go. But I'm awful sweaty, so whew, what a Saturday. Having fun. See you guys in a little bit.
We are now on our way 8 miles today. 8 miles. I know we know. So sit back and relax. Enjoy the trip. On my left. Here's my colleague, 65 right. Come on. Right here. Oh, big wind. Big head on wind. Almost there. Oh, excuse me. That was major. 50 inches there. Well past 2 miles. 6 miles. I can't myself. I'm not full train mode yet. This is still just supposed to be get the go. It's hurrying up a little bit. All around, crazy. Still about 8 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Now, dude, chill. Chill. I'm calling this one. 3 miles. 3 miles. Big uphill. Big uphill. You'll see it. That's all I sorry. Can't worry about it. That's what's the lake. That's it. 2 minutes. people like that. Piss me off. Four miles. Halfway there. What's up, buddies? There's good speed down on the turn. That guy is still getting a little bit. Look at that. How'd it go? Mile 5. Mile 5. 2 minutes. Oh, we got 5 minutes. We're gonna try to right now. I'm only right. This week's 5 miles. So, see how long I got. Oh, my neck. My neck's bothering me. Six miles. 6 miles. 6 miles. All right, 6 miles. 2 miles left. And keep up. All right, 3 miles, 6 miles. Right up close here. I'm trying to get down more. So I keep my neck right down. I don't know. Show you right now. I'm going a bit. I go, boss. I'm going to take it easily. No, take it easily. How's it going? Alright, I'm going to head. I'm going to grab folks. Who's the one to sell? So what kind of example got me? What kind of example I said? If I would, look at this. Just because I want to do it. Imagine. I think it's pretty out. Alright. Sana. Slow down. Okay. Oh, we got it. We got it. We're going the other way. You want to go now? Let's go. Up the hill. 7 miles. 7 miles, baby. Let's go. We're going to go. Okay, I'm 40. That's all. We're going to get it. I don't care. We'll try somewhere else. Good. Okay. Over. Good, all right, we're going down here. Slow down right here. All right, pocket tail. Let's do that. All right, we're at the 39 minute mark. 8 miles, 39 minutes. You got 5 each one. So this is just easy ride away home. Absolutely no anything. So that's fun. We have no water now. So big time cool down. Maybe get up there. Walk it out of the way. I walk out of the way. So nothing crazy left. So you just have 40 on the Good workout. See you guys.
All right, good morning, and boom. So I had a hot tip first thing this morning. Boom, I ran out of the house. I forgot you guys, but we're back now. Picked up this fridge, and my guy is going to take it. That is already a good start to next week. 70 bucks sitting there, 70 bucks, 7-0. And we got the heat pump there. And I'm waiting on my guy to hit me back about this, whether he wants it or not. I have a different guy. All this is going on. I decided not to keep these. When I looked them up, there's a ton of them on there, and some of the straps are all tore up on them. So keep one for the kids, the others go. We show you the rest of the trailer when we were out picking up that fridge. Got lucky, boom, found a yard machine. My guy is taking that, so that's going on the other trailer. Fridge, chair, and this big shelf right here. That's what we found this morning. So we're on a pretty good way. We're gonna park this, and then we'll see when this is gonna go in. This will either go in, don't think Monday, so it'll probably be Tuesday before this goes in, which means we may go out Monday night, or we may go out tonight and try to fill this up. Who knows? See how it goes. I don't want to work all day today. So all right, we're keeping this stuff here, keeping these two shelving, the storage cabinets, and I'm keeping that too for the shed. I'm gonna maybe hopefully get that thing organized this week. We got to do a yard sale soon. I can't do it this week because we're doing a card show down in Lakeland. So if anybody's in Lakeland, Florida, hit me up. We'll be at the card show all day, 10 to 4, I believe. So all right, we'll see you guys. We're gonna drop this trailer, go grab Scrapzilla, and then bring her out and see if we can get her filled up, and we'll check in with you guys periodically throughout the day. All right, so this area's definitely been either hit yesterday, hit today. Not a whole lot going on. More than halfway through the first neighborhood, and we got maybe half a dozen things on there. So that's a thing. We're just gonna keep on doing what we're doing. We just sold the lawnmower, 30 bucks, and then my guy's coming by to grab them 2 fridges. Fridgy, 70 bucks. So that's 100 bucks. So we're okay with that. We are okay with that. Now back to hunting. That's what we're doing right now. We are on the hunt. But I don't have a lot of faith for this first neighborhood, so we'll probably bring you back at the end of it and show you what it produced. All right, so we're bringing you in just to kind of show you chair, big chair, little chairs, stroller, lawnmower, another chair. Did get a stove, which I think is gonna go to my guy. Got a bedroom set, grill. This was all from one guy right here. Boom, boom, boom. So it has been super slow. 2 neighborhoods down. Super slow. We're gonna try to knock out this last 2 neighborhoods, and see where it gets us. So see you guys in a little bit. Yeah, Sundays are so stepped on now. I just seen a guy in the neighborhood that I was just in, talked to him, and then there's another guy running up the other side. It's just all stepped on. Everything is stepped on out here now. I used to have a nice little area, and then it all went to crap. So we would just have to keep on trying to figure it out, do what we do, you know. We picked up a little fridge and a grill since the last time you guys seen it, so just see what else we can get while we're out here, and then headed back to the house. Hooray, 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 to save the day. Dun, 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 dun. Some Kappa. We like that. That'll help us towards the end of the week. We'll take that aluminum off of there. We'll take the wires off of there. We'll take the cap off of there. For right now, that's why we had to put it in. Grateful for everything we got, but not a super big load today. We've seen just about every scrapper in the world out there. Just taking you through, nothing really spectacular. Not a whole lot of aluminum, just a big tin. I never checked this. This is a possibility. Possibly could go to Jeffy. Yeah, grill, homeowner gave us that. There's a lot of air over here. You know, just a lot of stuff thrown on top of stuff. We'll take a picture of that, see if our guy wants it. A couple bikes, those will come off. Yeah, a couple chairs. Yeah, very underwhelming for the day. Look, we know her. We know that woman. Dun, 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 dun. That's her new little bad whip. So, all right, once we take all that stuff off of there that we have to take off, we'll reconvene and see if we're gonna go out one day during the week and try to top this off or not. But I think for today, that is it. We are done. I am tired. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you all have a good day. I'm not going to leave you with any kind of memorable quote today. I'm a little tired. I'm ready to go inside and eat and relax. So until tomorrow, have a good day. Tell everybody to have a good day.
Have a great day.
Have a great day. Not a good day, a great day. Okay, everybody, I had to run out real quick. We're at 19%. I had to run out and get gas, so I figured let's just wrap this thing up. Quote of the day: every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and start again. So yeah, today wasn't the best day, but you know what? Tomorrow could be the best day. I'm actually getting a CT scan tomorrow of the old heart. So we're not going into the yard tomorrow, but we will be shooting some video probably later in the afternoon. So we will see you then. I am wrapping this thing up. I've already dropped both trailers. I'm tired. I'm gonna go inside and call it a day. So I hope you all have a great Monday, and we'll see you tomorrow.